Welcome in to another woolly review. Stylecraft Fusion Chunky. Now, yes, this feels kind of soft, but there's also an ever so slight roughness about this. Like, I can't feel it with my thumbs, but if I'm doing that, I can feel a little bit of roughness, and I'm guessing that's probably the black that's coming through it. I don't know. Anyway, this is Stylecraft Fusion. Chunky, chunky, chunky. It is 100% premium acrylic, approximately 200 meters, 219 yards, in the color blue. That's it, blue. From what I can tell, there are approximately 10 colors of this. So if you can find them, well done. Now, I'm hoping you can see that there is a black very carefully mixed in with the blue. But I am going to give it a review. So there's a little bit of stretch in there. Now, this was a prize for Woolly Wednesday, so I can't do a full swatch because I don't want to ruin it for them. $10 and $12. I'm going to start with a row of single crochet. It doesn't feel too bad. I mean, I feel the roughness as I'm yarning over. I'm feeling that between my fingers. I'm not talking rough like sandpaper rough. I'm just talking like it's not brilliantly smooth. It's just, there's a slight je ne sais quoi. Now, the cheapest place I found this was actually at Delta Wool Shop for £2.85. I really want to say £2.85. Oh, let's do another chain. Yes, there we go. And just like every time, details that aren't said during this video, they'll be down in the description below if you want more details of the wool in question. Oops, half double. It doesn't feel overly bad between the fingers, but I personally can feel that, you know, there's something that is starting to aggravate on my fingers with this as it passes through. So I don't think I'd want to sit there for a couple of hours playing with it. But, you know, it's not bad. I'm sure there may well be one or two people in the comments that say, I never had a problem with it. I found it quite nice. I'm just giving you my opinion. Whether you like it or not, I'm giving you my opinion. Oh. So this last row is just double crochets. Oop. And in. Oops. Oh my word. in. Stitch definition isn't too bad. It's not brilliant, but it's not too bad. I'm guessing that black in there is just kind of throwing things off ever so slightly, but it's not overly bad. That doesn't feel bad at all. Okay, let's take the froggy for a walkie. Walkie, 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 walkies. And he's just found the moped in the bushes. And so, and no problems with the frogging. And pretty much no kink. That's a bonus. So let's get him dressed again. Okay, whoops. Oh dear, he's coming undone. That'll never do. So for the fusion, oh my gosh, just stay. Okay, so would I turn it down completely? No. Would I be really frustrated if that was the only thing in the shop and that's not what I wanted, but it's the only thing that would do the job? No. Would it be in my top 10 for chunkiness? Maybe. Would it be in my top 5? I think if it was, it'd only just be in. Purely because only 10 colours of this, you are rather limited. And then with that ever so slight odd roughness in it, and it's only a little bit, that slight odd roughness is just a little bit, So 200 meters for 285. Yeah, I'd go that. I think the price is okay. I'm going to keep it at 4. I'm going to keep it at 4. So that's my opinion, my personal opinion. It's not bad. It's squidgy, squidgy, squidgy. It's nice to use. It frogs well. Brilliantly, should I say, really. If only there were more colours. What do you think? Let me know down below if you've already used this, or if you've been thinking about it, or if you have, if you haven't used it, would you? Let me know. And maybe while you're down there, give the video a thumbs up, which will really, really help. Please. And heck, if you're not already, maybe you might even think about doing the free thing of subscribing with the subscribe button. Maybe. Options. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you next week. Take care, and we'll see you then for another woolly review. Bye-bye.